Hello fam, welcome back to another interesting video. How are you all doing? Hope good. So guys, today I share with you how to make vanilla cupcakes. Without further ado, let's get started. Get a clean bowl, a clean dry bowl. Place your sieve on it and sieve your flour. We are making use of 2 cups of self-rising flour. Sieving it will add more air to it, so don't skip it, okay? If you noticed, we didn't add the whole flour. Yes, the remaining one will be coming later. We just want to do it bit by bit, okay? Now go in with the remaining flour and continue to sieve. Shout out to my newest subscribers. Welcome on board, guys. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back again, guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your massive love, support, guys. I'm grateful. Please keep watching my videos, all right, and keep engaging. Thank you. So, guys, now we just added a teaspoon of baking powder. Sieve it also. At this point, we are done. Moving on to the next one. In a separate bowl, crack in 2 eggs. We are making use of 2 large eggs. So go on and crack them in and whisk. Beat it with a spoon or you use your whisk. So at this point, we are done. So you set it aside. Moving on to the next one, guys. Returning back to our dry ingredients, the one we sieved earlier. So guys, now go in with 1/2 cup of sugar. Pour in the whisked eggs. Go in with your butter. You're making use of 200-gram butter, okay? Make sure it is warm, room temperature. Now, introduce the star ingredient, which is the vanilla essence. Yes, which will serve as our flavor. It will give it that unique vanilla flavor, okay? Do not skip it. Remember, we are making vanilla cupcakes, okay? So add in 2 teaspoons of it, okay? You can even add more, depending how flavorful you want it. Now, go on and whisk with your electric whisk, or you can use your hand whisk. Yes, whichever one you have, manual, electric, whichever one, guys. So go on and mix it, okay, to well combine. At this point, introduce your warm milk. We are making use of 1/2 cup of warm milk, liquid. So once you've added that, go on and whisk. If you notice, we are making use of hand manual whisk. This is to say, you don't necessarily have to own an electric whisk before you can make cupcakes. With just your manual, your hand whisk, you can do it, okay? You can as well use your hands. So you see, you have no excuse. You're making this recipe. Just keep watching. Please continue to whisk, making sure that the whole ingredient is well dissolved, well mixed. Yes, you want it to come out very smooth, all right? If you have electric mixer, you can as well use it. Yeah, I just want to show you guys that you can do it with or without electric mixer. All right, guys, at this point, we are almost done. Look at how smooth it is looking. So this is how it should be. All right? Okay, guys. Now, use your spatula to bring them together, just like this. Looking all smooth, well dissolved. So you're gonna whisk it thoroughly until it is well dissolved, looking this smooth, okay? Now, moving on to the next one. Get your muffin tin. Yes. Now, grease them with some oil. With your brush, spread it all out, all over the tin, okay? Just like this. Yes, you don't want your cupcakes to stick to your pan. So this oil will enable them come out easily without you struggling, okay? So do not skip it unless you have non-stick pan, yeah. So guys, it is time to fill them with your paper cake cases, okay? Yes. Then now scoop your batter into them, okay? Just like this. You can have few them, like you don't want at the end of it your cake to puff up. If you don't want that, just have few them, okay? Maybe 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon is fine. If you notice, I'm making use of 2 tablespoons, so I want it to puff up. Yeah, depending what you want, guys. So fill them up, okay, with your batter, your mixture. And if this is your first time meeting my video, you are welcome. My name is Ijoma. You can call me IG or Omo for short. Here, we'll cook different kinds of delicacies. We'll bake everything edible basically. So do well to be part of this beautiful family. You can only do that by subscribing. Please hit that subscription button. Turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. Thank you. Let's continue, guys. Still on the filling process. Yes, so this is the last one, guys. All done, guys. Pop it into your oven and bake for 20 minutes, okay? And there you have it, guys. Our delicious vanilla cupcakes are set. Ready, guys. It's looking so good. So good. Please try it out, okay? And let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. Also, remember to share with your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. Now, transfer them on a cooling rack. Please allow them to cool down, okay? If you have been following me before now, you will know that I like testing it hot, guys. So we're gonna be testing it, okay? Look at how it's looking. Oh my. Try it out, guys. You will love it. So guys, let's test it. Looking all good. It tastes so good, guys. Please give this recipe a go. You will love it. Use it as small chops for your birthdays, outdoor gathering, get together. Yes, guys. You can use it as snack. It's just so perfect. Yes. Please, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, follow, subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you guys in my next video. Bye.